ChatGPT. Ever feel like you need an assistant to handle all the little things in life, but you can't exactly justify the salary? Same. That was me, juggling a million tasks a day, until I found out that ChatGPT could be my digital personal assistant. And the best part? It's free, super easy, and honestly, kinda fun. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use ChatGPT for everyday tasks, whether it's writing emails, planning your meals, organizing your day, or even planning your next vacation. So, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a new secret weapon in your productivity toolkit. What is ChatGPT? Now, if you're thinking, wait, what even is ChatGPT? Here's the simple version. ChatGPT is basically like texting a friend who's insanely smart, always available, and never gets tired of answering your questions. It's an AI tool that can help you write, plan, brainstorm, you name it. No coding, no complicated setup, just you typing what you need and it delivering answers in plain English. Easy, right? How to access ChatGPT. Getting started is a breeze. Just head over to chat.openai.com, sign up with your email, and you're in. There's a free version that runs on GPT 3.5. And if you want the fancy GPT-4 version with more power, you can upgrade for about $20 a month. But honestly, the free version handles everyday tasks like a champ. 1. Writing emails. Let's start with one of my favorite uses, writing emails. You know when you sit there staring at your screen thinking, how do I sound professional without sounding like a robot? Yeah, me too. So here's what I do. I tell ChatGPT, write a friendly follow-up email to a client we met last week. We discussed a potential project and I want to see if they have any updates. And boom, it gives me something like this. Hi, client name. I hope you've been well. I wanted to follow up on our discussion last week regarding the potential project. I'm excited about the possibilities and would love to hear any updates when you have a chance. Pretty solid, right? It saves me time and makes me sound way more polished. 2. Meal planning and grocery lists. Now, let's talk about something that can make or break your week, meal planning. I used to hate figuring out what to eat every day. So now, I ask ChatGPT to do it for me. For example, create a 5-day meal plan for 2 adults. We're on a budget and want quick, healthy dinners under 30 minutes to make. And it gives me this whole breakdown. Monday, grilled chicken with veggies. Tuesday, veggie stir-fry, and so on. It even adds a grocery list, like 2 chicken breasts, 1 bag of broccoli, 1 pack of brown rice. So all I do is copy that list and head to the store. No stress. Here are a few examples of ChatGPT's prompts. Hunter 3. Personal scheduling and reminders. Okay, now if your day feels like one big blur of chaos, this one's for you. ChatGPT can help you plan your schedule and even create daily routines. I'll say something like, create a time-blocked schedule for someone who works 9 to 5, wants to work out 3 times a week, and needs to study an hour a night. And here's what it gives me. 7 o'clock a.m. Wake up and breakfast. 7:30 a.m. Quick workout. 9 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. Work. 6 o'clock p.m. Dinner 7 o'clock p.m. Study like, why didn't I start doing this sooner? 4. Travel planning. Here's a fun one. Travel planning. You could spend hours scrolling blogs and forums. Or you could just let ChatGPT handle it. For example, plan a 3-day trip to Paris on a $500 budget. Include affordable accommodations, must-see sites, and cheap eats. And it'll map out a whole itinerary for you. Day 1. Eiffel Tower and picnic at Champ de Mars. Day 2. Louvre Museum. Free entry after 6 p.m. on Fridays. Dinner at a local bistro. You get the idea. It even tells you how to save money. Now, all I have to do is pack. 5. Brainstorming ideas. Ever feel stuck for ideas? Whether it's content for your blog, social media, or even business ideas, ChatGPT can help you brainstorm. I'll type, "Give me 10 YouTube video ideas for a fitness channel aimed at beginners." And boom, 5-minute morning stretches, beginner home workouts, healthy meal prep hacks, and more. It's like having a brainstorming partner who never runs out of ideas. 6. Learning and research. Need to learn something fast? ChatGPT can simplify complex topics and summarize info. Let's say I'm curious about blockchain but don't want a headache. I'll ask, "Explain blockchain to me like I'm 12." And it says something like, "Imagine a notebook that everyone can see and write in, but no one can erase." It keeps track of things like who owns money or data in a way that's super secure. Super simple, right? And if you want book summaries? Summarize Atomic Habits in 5 bullet points. It does it in seconds. Pro tip: always fact-check important stuff, but for quick learning, it's amazing. Pro tips for better results. Now here's how to get the best results with ChatGPT. Be specific. Instead of "help me plan meals," say, "plan 5 vegetarian dinners under 30 minutes." Use follow-ups. If it gives you something meh, say, "make it more casual," or "add humor." And remember, ChatGPT isn't perfect. Double-check important facts, especially for business or health advice. So there you have it. Emails, meal plans, schedules, travel tips, idea brainstorming. ChatGPT is basically your new personal assistant. Which one are you going to try first? Drop a comment and let me know. And hey, if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe.